So now we're going to find parametric equations from Cartesian Cartesian equation. Now, when we were going the other way, when we had the parametrics and we went to a Cartesian equation, there was just one answer that we were getting. But there are choices when you're going the other way. So basically, you can set up your parametric equations how you want to, as long as there's equivalency. Okay? So here's the Cartesian equation right there. And so you might say, oh, let's let x equal t. That would be the easiest way to do it, right? So I guess I should say x of t. Well, x of t equals t. And so then you would have y of t is equal to t plus 3 squared plus 1. And maybe you would want it that way for a particular reason. Now, the book does something else. They say, well, what if we want to let x equal t plus 3? Okay, so what you're saying then for your parametric equation is x of t equals t plus 3. And then you'd have to figure out the other one. So you'd have to put in t plus 3 for x plus 3, and then square it plus 1. Now, how do you want to write that? Well, you might want to write it t plus 6 squared plus 1. It's in the form of a parabola, so it would be fairly easy to graph and stuff. So you could say, well, that's my, my parametric equation for y of t. So you would have this answer being the parametric equations. Okay, well, so much for a box. So we had two choices here. Oops. We had that choice. There goes my 1. And then we had that other choice that was a little more exciting. You know what I think I would do? I think I would let x equal t minus 3. Now, they don't show this, but this would just be my choice. Then I have, let's see, y equals t minus 3 plus 3 squared plus 1. And then I get y equals t squared plus 1. So it makes my two parametric equations, which would be x of t equals t minus 3 and y of t equals t squared plus 1. It makes them a little more identifiable, a little bit easier to graph and stuff. So maybe I would choose that method. Okay, but you get to choose how you set those up when you're using them, in a way that would be useful to you.